Well, I read the instructions and it just says install front tire without any more detail. Well, here we are. Make sure your cat has been fed. First off, loosen these hex nuts, not all the way, just to where they're about finger tight. This allows these brake pads to move. So what we're going to do, take the axle, thread it through the wheel hub, long spacer, fork, safety washer, flat washer, cap nut, opposite side. Make sure that rotor gets inside in between these brake pads, and make sure you don't have any rubbing against this fork. Wheel hub, small spacer, flat washer, fork, safety washer, flat washer, cap nut. Turn these two nuts opposite each other until they're tightened. Make sure you tighten these hex nuts back up. And if all goes correctly, you'll spin that tire and you won't hear any rubbing. And you'll be ready to hit the road, sidewalk, street, wherever. Thank you for your help.